dyan na yung data niya.
I got a new book. So I'm reading it right now. Hi Sam. Wait lang guys, give me like 5 minutes to read. Don't alis. This is one of my dream books and I just got it today. Naririnig niyo ba ako? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? The name of the book, it's Better Than the Movies and I just got it. So, I'm really excited. It's inspired by one of my favorite songs, unreleased songs siya ni Gracie Abrams. But I just got it. Oh, ayun na lang, papakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga binili ko today. So, I got few things today. Sabi ko guys, ang bibilin ko lang extensions and plancha, but I ended up getting a lot of other things. So first is I got this book. And I got makeup. So first I got this from BLK. I might go back to BLK actually before I leave. I might. But the author is Lynn Painter. Well, I did not spend a lot, but I wanted to kind of reward myself because I've been so stressed lately and today has been a bad day for me. Like, I saw something today that I didn't like and I was so stressed. Tapos parang to make myself feel better na lang. So I got this powder foundation. So ayan, I got this powder foundation. It comes with a puff. So slay. Tapos, better here? Really? What do you mean better here? What time? So that's the first, this is the second thing that I got. Yeah. Taga pa alam. Wait lang. Ate ko, paalam lang ako, di mo na ako makapag-post mga edits niyo. Ako yung nilalagdat at busy sa school. Wala, you have lagnat. It's okay, I understand. Keto soon. Kahit medyo dog show ako, may pakialam naman ako sa inyo. Mahal na mahal kita, Ozzel. Ikaw ang paborito kong editor. Well, you're one of them, so... Mag-bioflu ka. Bioflu is really effective. Bioflu is effective. Eat something that you like. Ice cream makes me feel better pag nilalagnat ako. Watch your favorite movie and then rest. You're gonna feel better. You need to feel better soon, okay? Next thing that I got is... Hi, Relly. Next thing that I got is Radiance Glow Filter para maganda yung skin ko sa makeup. Miss ka na ng Deparo. Red, see? Oh my God! Oh my God, you're here! I miss you! So, I got 2 makeups. Sabi, if I get 3 daw, na one more item, I will get a freebie. So, I might go back. The next thing that I got, ito, hindi ko naman to kailangan, but I felt not naawa, but I wanted to support the girl who was selling this because she's a mom. Hi, Marco! Because she's a mom. And then, nagbebenta siya ng mga sombrero. Parang meron siyang tiangge. Parang meron siyang stall. Tapos, ako naman parang, I said na, bumibili ako sa mga malalaking companies. Like, bumili ako sa BLK, bumili ako sa Fully Book, bumili ako sa Starbucks. So, I wanted to help her. So, I got this. Isusukat ko. Papakita ko sa inyo. Sa ganito siya nakalagay. Hi, PRLT. So, ganun siya. But, wala lang. I don't really need it, but at least nakatulong. And I like kung ano yung sinabi na parang stay positive because I had a really bad day today. So, parang sakto yung message niya. It says, stay positive. Anyway. I also got this. Hair clamp siya kasi wala akong hair clamp. I lost it. I mean, I like this cup. It's really pretty. Good luck. Oh, I also got a dress. And a shirt. Well, hindi ko mapapakita ko yung dress, but di nyo ma-appreciate masyado. But it's this. It's this. And then a black dress. Yung black dress, i-send ko later sa broadcast channel. So, ayun lang. Medyo, I took a time off today sa social media. I didn't post any TikTok. I didn't chat masyado sa GC because, yeah, I was really... Basta I wanted to like detoxify from so yeah, at least I got a new book to distract myself because I want to distract myself to not think too much. A Wallflower, not yet, but I want to read that. The Alchemist, I want to read that also. The Alchemist I saw earlier. I was this close to getting it, but I really wanted to focus on the novel because I'm a big fan of novels kasi. Hi Rika May! Sorry guys if hindi ako napapansin ng mga comments kasi mabilis yung pag-angat ng comments. Yeah, I like reading. This book, I think the hi Alice Lynette. I think the trope of this book is friends to lovers, which is my favorite trope. It's my favorite trope. Uy! Meron ako ng You've Reached Sam, but di ko pa nababasa. Should I read it? Is it really that good? Ink Steady, sobrang ganda na kaiyak. Hindi ko pa. Hi Arian. Hi Lloyda. Hindi ko pa ano. Ink Steady on Wattpad. Hindi ako nag-Wattpad, but I'll try. Hey, look here, so I will go to the secret gardens in my mind. Alam nyo guys, super nakarelate ako today sa song na yung I Hate It Here. Tapos yung sa part na I hate it here, so I will go to the secret gardens in my mind. Like, the secret gardens in my mind are the books that I read. Ay, congrats! Congrats kasi honor ka, Cheska. Cheska ba name mo? So, parang, wala, it's an escape. Super nakaka-relate ako dun. I hate it here, but I'll have secret gardens in my mind. Hindi ko alam if I will get the pants from H&M, but I probably should. Because wala akong pants na maayos. I mean, I've been wanting to get yung white na pants. It's either that or the lip balm. Do I need the lip balm? No. So, I might get the pants. But, wait lang. I'll count kung magkano na yung nagastos ko. Because I think I'm overspending again. Wait lang. Nag-auto yung filter guys. Where are you? Nasa UPTC ako. Yeah. Kapag gumaganon ako nagkaka-filter. Kaya dapat ganyan lang para wala. Curtain dye. We just talk kanina. Not everything is about him naman. Hindi ko lang nabasa. Sorry guys, sobrang distracted lang. But we're okay, don't worry. Okay na, wag na kayo mag-overthink. We're okay. We're okay, I repeat. Not everything that is about him. Hindi ko lang nabasa agad yung mga tanong niyo. Kasi napansin mo yung eyeliner ko. Oh my God, mahal-mahal kita. Alam mo ba, sobrang proud ako sa eyeliner ko today. Feeling ko ang slay niya today. Can you see? Kalma lang, guys. Kalma lang. Masyado naman kayong overthinker. Hi, Sir Kay! Hate it here, so I will go to the secret gardens in my mind. So, samahan niyo ako kasi baka pumunta ako ulit ng H&M. Yung OOTD ko, walang magpipicture sa akin, guys. Mag-isa kasi ako. Ay, hindi. Later, I will meet with my friend. I will meet with Liana, so I might ask her to take photos with me and also with her, so... Yes, samahan niyo ako pumunta sa H&M because I might get the pants. Do I need it? No! Thank you sa... Gusto niyo mag-outfit check? Gusto niyo ba mag-fit check ako, guys? Thank you, Angel. Oo nga, pinagtripan nila ako. Thank you, Angel. Gusto niyo punta na ako ng H&M? Should I? Kasi may naka-sale na pants. Or what do I need? Do I need new pants? But dito ako nagla-live kasi I was restricted on TikTok. Outfit check, please. Wait lang. Let me ayos my gamit first. Guys, nakakaya mag-outfit check dito kasi like, makapal yung guys, pero hindi pa naman naabot sa ganung point na mag-outfit check ako in a public place. Wait lang, pagbibigay. Hala, ang ganda ng outfit ni ate ko. You know, like, mag-compliment tayo ng random stranger kasi ang ganda ng outfit niya. You know, and I like being a girl's girl. Tignan nyo, guys. Hindi makapal yung mukha ko, pero pag mga ganitong moments, she's so pretty. Ate, how many followers before maka-live dito sa IG? Hindi ko alam. Nasa Trinoma ko? Wala, kuya. I mean, pero nasa QC ako, pero not in Trinoma. Hi, excuse me. I just want to say your outfit is so pretty. It's really bagay sa'yo. You're so pretty. I complimented a random stranger. She's with her boyfriend and her boyfriend looks so proud. It's so adorable. I love people who are in love.
Sa atin niyo, di ba? Hold it mo. Pero mga tao
wait lang, putik na filter yun. Hate it here, so I will go to the secret gardens in my mind. Oh my God! Lobat pala ako, guys. Wait lang. Okay, mag-fit check tayo dito. Hold on, but I'll try to see saan ko pwede patong yung phone ko. Ang ganda ng pants! but I don't need. Wait lang guys. Kuya, wait lang, papatong ako kasi yung mga ano ko dito nagpa-fit check sila. Fit check. Ay, hindi makita. Nakakaloka. Hindi ko pwede patayo guys. Nakafilter. Pero sakit. Tapos ito yung shoes ko. Nahiya na ako guys. Mga pinapagawa niyo talaga sa akin. Wait lang. Hanapin natin yung... Hanapin natin. Totoo ba? Kamukha ko si Atisa. Well, I've been told, pero ang layo, be. For me, malayo. Pero nasabi na nga sa akin. Kailan nilalabas yung vlog? Not sure. Wala sa akin yung vlog. Pero abangan nyo lang. Ito ang itsura natin today. Napaka-arte ko today. Hindi ko branding yan, be. Wait lang. Ang ganda ng shorts na to. But do I need it? Oh, I just got pants. Alam niyo, ito yung pangit pag nasa-stress ako. Ito yung ayoko pag nasa-stress ako. Once it gets stressed. My goodness. Ito lang ang coping mechanism ko. And hindi siya magandang coping mechanism ko. Yan, nasa na yung pants? Wait lang, may nakita ko ng pants kanina. It's so ganda. It's so ganda talaga. Ang mahal. Doon lang tayo sa 999. Yun na yung max ko. Yun na ang last gastos ko for the night. Pag hindi ko siya nakita before ako malubat, sign na yun na hindi ko, sign na yun na hindi ako bibili ng pants. Ano, saan ko pinatong yung paper bag ko? Excuse me, kuya. Saan? May white pants kayo?
White.
Opo, yung 999. Nakita ko kanina pero nakalimutan ko eh. White po siya na pants po or parang cream po.
Ganyan yun.
Hindi po eh. Medyo, pero pants po. Ayun! Thank you, kuya. Buti na lang. Wait lang. Wala ka naman ito. Wait lang. Hindi ko alam size ko, guys. 34 naman. 34? Huh? Wait lang. I feel like... Okay. Tatlo. Nasukat natin. Walang percent ako. Guys, 3% na lang ako. Nakakaloka. Wait lang. Let's just get like a random top. Para lang mapakita ko sa inyo yung fit ng pants. Pag namatay yung phone ko, I'm so sorry. Hindi ko kasi alam na loobat ako. Aray ko. Dahil sa IG. Kasi if hindi ako na-answer na tanong, wait lang, kasi may ginagawa ako. Regarding sa Starkada, I'm not sure kasi if makakapunta ako sa Sunday. Okay guys, wait lang. Privacy, before ko ipakita ko sa inyo. Nakakaloka. Wait lang. Wait nyo lang ako dyan. Guys, pag namatay yung live, namatay phone ko. Yun lang yan. I hate it here, so I'll go to sleep at college at my body. Ay ko. Ganda talaga ng eyeliner ko. Ang slayable ba? Giving ba giving? Guys, wait lang. Feeling ko hindi na-aabot yung battery ko. Oh my God! Ang nice ng pants. Oh my God, guys. Kukunin ko yung pants. Pakita ko, wait lang. Ay, parang naninipas lang ako. 2% na lang ako, guys. Wait lang. Ano size ito na pants na to? Okay. Kita na ba? Wait lang, guys. So, ito yung pants, but I'm putik. Yan siya. Hindi ko sure if I like it, but probably not my size. It's kind of big on me. Pero it's comfy kasi medyo may allowance siya. So if I might get a smaller size, I'll try to get a smaller size. Wait lang. Better. Oh, this one is so much better. Yeah. Yung isa nalalakihan ako. Although, I don't like na parang see-through yung pockets niya. Guys, medyo 50-50 ako dito sa pants. Wait lang. Parang hindi ko siya gusto kasi parang guys, parang ayoko kasi see-through siya. See-through yung parang pocket ng pants. Ayoko nakita yung pocket ng pants. Wait lang guys, mag-relive ako pero mag-charge ako. I need to charge. Wait lang. Mag-unlive ako guys. Mag-relive na lang ako. I'll just have to charge. Bye!